Namaskar everybody, this is Sapna Khandelwal, author of Amazon bestseller Unleash the Shakti Within, creator of India Sari Challenge Facebook group, जो साड़ीज और अपने हेरिटेज और कल्चर को रिवाइव करने के लिए बनाया गया था. An entrepreneur doing my own business of renovating precious jewelry for the last 30 years, a transformation coach, and most importantly, co-founder of देवदीति फाउंडेशन. देवदीति फाउंडेशन एक ऐसी सोशियो कल्चरल संस्था है जो अर्बन विमेन को एम्पावर करने का काम करती है. अर्बन विमेन में एक उत्साह और एक उमंग जगाए रखने का, एक कॉन्फिडेंस से जीने का काम करती है और हर एक को, चाहे वो किसी भी वर्ग की और किसी भी उम्र की महिला हो, एक सशक्त और स्टेबल प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड करती है अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए. जो हम ये सीरीज चला रहे हैं, पर्सनल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन सीरीज, इस लॉकडाउन के तहत 2-2.5 महीने से हम लोग ये रेगुलर निरंतर कर रहे हैं और we've been able to do almost 44-45 sessions till now. So Devditi, as you can see, is a socio-cultural organization to empower urban women to empower themselves by participating in our numerous online and offline programs, जो हम बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स लाते हैं आप लोगों के लिए. और आज एक बहुत स्पेशल शख्सियत जुड़ रही है जो हमारी इस साल की प्रेसिडेंट भी है. देवदीति फाउंडेशन की प्रेसिडेंट अंजलि जैन गुप्ता. पर इससे पहले कि मैं अंजलि के बारे में कुछ आपको बताऊं, मैं इनवाइट करती हूं देवदीति की डायनेमिक को-फाउंडर वंदना गुप्ता को आपसे एड्रेस करने के लिए.
Namaskar, welcome all. Thank you, Sapna Bhabhi. So, all of us are very aware what Devditi Foundation does, socio-cultural and lot of things for the environment and for ourselves. और आजकल के दिनों में लॉकडाउन के अलावा, लॉकडाउन तो हमारा कोरोना वायरस की वजह से है, लेकिन और भी बहुत सी चीजें हमारे इर्द गिर्द हो रही हैं. साइक्लोन आया कल एंड वेस्ट बंगाल एंड उड़ीसा आर इन वर्स्ट शेप एवर, यू नो. इतना नुकसान जान माल का कभी नहीं हुआ वेस्ट बंगाल में. और अभी अभी मैं न्यूज सुन रही थी तो पता चला पाकिस्तान एयरलाइंस का एक प्लेन अभी क्रैश हुआ है. इट्स सो बैड, यू नो. हमारी सराउंडिंग में सब जगह नेगेटिव चीजें हो रही हैं. तो हम अपने आप को पॉजिटिव करने के लिए ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन सीरीज का आई एक्सपेक्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू टेक एक्चुअली में प्रॉफिट आउट ऑफ इट, कि हमारे को घर बैठे कुछ करने को मिल रहा है, समथिंग वेरी पॉजिटिव. सो ऑन दैट नोट आई स्टार्ट ऑन आवर very important vertical of Devditi Foundation, that is our humanitarian bank. आजकल जो भी कुछ हो रहा है, हमें अपने लिए, जो हम लोग सशक्त लोग हैं, जो हम अपने लिए भी कर सकते हैं और थोड़ा सा दे भी सकते हैं, वो देवदीति ह्यूमैनिटेरियन बैंक के थ्रू we can reach the lesser privilege. So please come and join hands with Devditi Foundation to reach the lesser privilege. जैसे अभी हमने COVID-19 के लिए PM केयर में दिया, हमने खाना खिलाने के लिए किचन्स में पैसे दिए, या अपने आप फिजिकली वहां प्रेजेंट होने के लिए. सो whatever your resources, your time, please donate and join hands with Devditi Foundation. And I now request Anjali to start the program. Everybody is waiting with the pen, pencil. So our dynamic Anjali Jain Gupta, jitna bhari bharkam naam hai, utna bhari bharkam iski art hai, and she knows so many forms of art. It is surprising, you know. And whatever she does so beautifully. So here I invite Anjali. Please, Anjali.
Thank you, Vanda ji. Thank you, Sapna ji. Good evening, everybody. I can see all my friends waving hands. Okay. Welcome to the Mandala art session. This is something new for most of the ladies. And during this lockdown time, I've seen I'm getting into new innovations. I have learned this mandala art during this lockdown time. You won't believe it got so much interest in me that I've been scribbling every time when I'm on the phone. There's a paper pen in front of me and I'm making a mandala art with me. So I'm going to tell you what is mandala art.
अंजलि थोड़ा सा जोर से बोलेंगे आप, थोड़ा सा. हाँ.
Okay. Screen. I think screen sharing के लिए सपना जी.
स्क्रीन शेयर मैं आपको नहीं, तो आपने मुझे भेजा हुआ स्क्रीन शेयर.
I'll share.
You will share. So, let me see. You had not told me earlier, Anjali. So give me a second. Let me identify. Because this is okay. You can share. Go ahead, Anjali. You can share. Go ahead.
Okay. Has everybody heard about mandala art?
पर अंजलि पहले आप अपने स्क्रीन पे जाके शेयर का बटन दबाओ, फिर आपके कंप्यूटर से वो डॉक्यूमेंट आएगा, उसको शेयर करो, तब दिखेगा.
It's showing host disabled participant screen sharing.
It is saying host disabled. One participant can share at a time. मेरा आ रहा है, और multiple participants can share simultaneously. मैं कर देती हूँ. तो मेरे end पे it is shared. अंजलि, can you try again?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's come, Anjali. Go ahead.
So I just want to know from everybody, you can give your answers on the chat. What is mandala art? Does everybody know about it? Has anybody heard about what is mandala art?
सबके नो आ रहे हैं, अंजलि. Please continue.
Okay. Mandala is a meditative sketching. It's a sketching art. It's more related to meditation and repetitive pattern within a concentric circle. So, next. What is mandala? It is a complex abstract design, usually circular in a shape. You have seen all mandalas are in circular shapes. I'll give you example. Where have you seen a mandala? That is the question I'm asking everybody. Where have you seen a mandala? Has anybody seen a mandala before? Okay, I'll share some pics with you. Is everybody able to see?
Yes. Sajna, can you please admit people? People are waiting in the waiting room. Sajna?
Sapna, they all are admitted till now.
Okay, so somebody else I can see. Anjali, we are able to see all your screens beautifully.
Okay. I'm just showing you simple mandalas that you see every day in your life.
So मंडल, जो हिंदी में मंडल बोलते हैं, उसी को मंडला मंडला करने लगे हैं. हाँ,
Yeah, this is a Rangoli design pattern. This is also a form of mandala only, the same techniques of doing a mandala. I'm showing you the pics before starting so that you know what we are going to learn. See, in a Mehndi design also, you can see a form of mandala on your hands. This is the umbrella. Even this is an artist who can just identify as a mandala. मतलब normally लगता है कि कोई print है, कोई कुछ है, ऐसे make me feel. See, even this is a mandala in a center of the hand. And see, our Ashoka Chakra is a beautiful example of a mandala. This is a roof of Dilwara temples. Now, then the next question is, where have you seen the biggest mandala? Can anybody answer? See, you won't believe that our solar system is the biggest mandala on Earth, of our universe. Now we're going to start how to make a mandala.
Anjali, Geeta Nayyar ka haath raised says she probably possibly wants to ask a question. You want to take a question right now? Anjali, or Geeta? Sajna, can you please mute? Geeta, unmute.
Write the question of the chat box.
Okay, just tell her that. Okay.
In our Marwadi, Nishu has replied, in our Marwadi family, they call it Ghevar Wala design. This is for what, Nishu? Yes, we had a correct answer from Taposhi, the Tara Mandala, our galaxy. These are the stationery requirements for a mandala drawing. It's a very simple thing. You need a scale, you need a A4 sheet or any sheet that you have at home, sketch pens or markers, anything, pencil and a compass. Compass is the most important thing you require for your mandala art because you have to make a circular design. So we take a sheet of paper. Is it visible? Can everybody
Yes.
see the screen?
Yes, yes, Anjali, it is visible.
Okay. I've taken a red color sheet. Now we take a center of this sheet. How do we take out it's A4 size? From one corner to the second corner, next corner. We draw a line. It's a very simple thing. So we get a center of the paper. It has to be very light. Now with the help of a compass, we make circles. Basic, basic slices, basic steps. I hope some of you are doing it side by side. You have to make a circle like this.
अंजलि,
हाँ जी.
अपना शेयरिंग बंद करके अपना को पूरे स्क्रीन दे दो. So when you're making, so everybody can see you doing it. Yeah, thank you. Now you can put, yeah, that's good. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, just keep telling me अगर कोई problem आ रही है तो we can.
हाँ, नहीं, इसीलिए मैंने बोला आपको कि
by the time you will be doing this, I'll explain you what mandala is and what are the basic steps.
So you made how many circles now? You made
Up to you. I have made 5 circles.
5 circles.
1,
What is
2,
it?
3, 4, 5, 6.
5. Okay.
They are not visible because we have to keep it very light. Ultimately, we have to rub this when we are finished with our mandala.
Okay.
So that is the reason we keep it very light. It's visible to me, but you can't see it on your screen.
That's why I'm getting interactive with you so that people know that you made 5 circles.
Yeah.
Okay.
They can be of any size, thickness, the size, width of the this thing. Circle can be of any size. It depends on the size that you're going to take. You're going to make the design from it. So now I'll share a screen with you. By the time you all finish with the circle, I'll explain you what are the basic steps that you have to follow while making a. So there are the basic 3 steps that have to be followed while making a mandala. So step 1 is making a balance. Step 2 is adding line. I'll explain one by one. Step 2 is adding line weights to design. And step 3 is ending makes a lot of difference. So we start with step 1. When you make a mandala, you have to see that the design is balanced. Balance means the darker side, the darker and the lighter portion. Since we're doing black and white, darker means the black color and the white means the lighter color. If you're doing a colored, we go for the warm colors are the darker colors and the other colors are the soft colors. So we have to balance. You can see. See, this is black. आप देखो, this is the center of the circle, the right hand side. I'm talking about the right mandala. This is the center of the mandala. I started with the white, then we have a black circle, then we have a white, then there is a black circle, then it's white with some textures on it, then it's black. So it goes alternate, black, white, black, white. We have to balance it. You can't keep two black things together. So ये अगर black है, can you see the arrow, everybody? If this is black, you can't keep this thing black. So it has to be alternate, black, white, black, white, black, white. Step 2 is adding line weights to your design. Line weights is, this is a simple line, and this is a line weight. You are given thickness to your line. And step 3, which is the most important, that is the ending makes a lot of difference. See, this mandala on the right hand side, it doesn't have any ending. And look on the left hand side, it still has an ending. यहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ बना हुआ है, so it gives a better look to it. Now the next thing is, when you start a design, complete the line before you go to the next. You can combine two blocks to make a design. Errors can be neglected. Use more of line weights. Line weights I meant, you see, this is a line, this is a straight line, this is a thicker line, and this is a tapered line. The tapered line has to be used more to enhance your design. So endings, I was talking like this. This is the ending of your mandala. You can put dots. ये आप आ रही है ना dots यहाँ पे ऐसे, यहाँ पे line dots, ये भी. So there are different, it's up to you how you make it. Choose ending yourself. You have to beautify the ends. Ending makes a lot of difference. Now on a sheet of paper, I'm sharing the screen. You copy these shapes. Can we enlarge this? Can everybody see this screen?
Anjali, yes, it is very clear. It is clear.
ठीक है, it will take only 2 minutes. आप फटाफट रफ जैसे जैसे मैंने ये बना रखा है, आप प्लीज बनाइए, then you'll understand the basic step. Rajna, you're not doing?
If I start doing it, तो वो admit नहीं कर पाऊंगी मैं लोगों को. मैंने करना शुरू किया था तो लोग waiting में आ गए.
रचना तुम भी कर लो, मैं एडमिट कर रही हूँ. मेरी तो बेटी आ गई है, मेघा वो बना रही है. देखो अंजलि, मेघा इज लर्निंग फ्रॉम यू.
Good. Ritu Kumar, you're not doing it? Okay. It will just take 2 minutes. Just follow. Rough बन जाएगा, no problem. You're just learning the basics. See, this is a petal.
अंजलि, पता है ये हम लोग सब बनाते हैं. हम याद है दिवाली पे हम अपने वो दरवाजों के दोनों तरफ चौखट पे लगाते हैं. Maybe we all don't know the name, but I think we all must be doing all this small little art work at home. सब लोग करते ही होंगे generally.
Just simple shapes. देखो आप देखो ये petals हमने करा हुआ है. ये line है with dots, triangles हैं. These are very simple, basic.
Simple things. Yeah.
अब the next step is the filling the shape. जैसे आपने जो ये ऊपर सारे shapes बनाई हैं, you have to fill them. आप बीच में इनके बीच में यहाँ पे कुछ भी dot black कर दोगे तो बेगमा.
Anjali, somebody is requested to show the earlier picture before these shapes.
ये ending?
हाँ, ending वाला. Thanks.
I think some people can take screenshots also, so easy हो जाएगा for them to visualize. You can take screenshots.
Anjali, we can do this with pencils as well, or do we need
Yeah,
only
you can
pen
do
for
with
this?
anything, pencil, sketch pen, uniball pens, Posca pens, anything that you have.
Yeah. Just
How do you make the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the pointed petals? How do you get them so uniform every time?
Uniform. I think
and हाथ set हो जाता है मेघा. Once you start doing,
Practice.
Mine start going left, right every time I try. They never.
so you need a lot of practice, dear.
I'll tell you, Megha, the thing is ki this thing you're doing on a straight line. When you're going in circular motion, then you have a circle frame for it. Upar bhi hai, niche bhi hai.
Okay then,
You
yeah.
have a guideline over there. So that will not, I'm just telling you the shapes that you can use for a mandala art. Okay, I'll tell you.
आपको बता दें.
Nishu,
Anjali, I have also started doing it now.
Nishu missed few things. I'll just जब तक सब बना रहे हैं. I hope everybody is making it right now.
और वो कहाँ गया?
अरे screenshot नहीं.
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात
Nishu,
नहीं.
I'll explain you a little later. उनको बता दो circle के बाद we started with this only. ठीक है, we are going to the next step now.
Okay, please go ahead.
क्योंकि we have to finish तो एक बार बनाना सारा का सारा ना basic things. This I'm showing you some samples also कि you can use your mandalas in acrylic painting. I am an art and craft teacher. I have used mandalas for bottle crafting, for oil, acrylics, calligraphy. So you have very big scope for it. See, this is an acrylic painting. I'm sharing you with this calligraphy also. These are all mandalas. Now you see, this is for the interiors. Those who are doing wall paintings can use them in interiors also, or for the walls. This is a lotus pattern. See, even this is on the wall. Technique is same. I'll tell you now. We'll start with the technique now. I'm just telling you so that you get a wider look for it, wider vision.
Parul is raising hands. Parul, do you have a question? Then I can maybe unmute.
Maybe some problem.
Parul, you want to ask something? Parul?
I want to show. Close. I want to show. I had made this thing. This is the edging is like mandala. She's showing. Are you able to see?
Yeah.
Thora, Carol, not clearly because you're not sharing screen, but yes, we are able to see. Yes.
So I had made the edging like mandala.
Beautiful.
Yeah, because in Gujarat we do very often. We have this on the border of the doors.
Anjali.
Okay. Now we're going to start how to make a mandala. आपने शीट जो सर्कल बना लिया आप सबने?
क्या बना लिया?
सर्कल बन गया ना सबका?
कितना बड़ा सर्कल?
On the A4 sheet, I told you to take a center निकाल के. I'll repeat. आपने ये A4 sheet का center निकाला था with the help of a scale. From one corner to the other corner. ऐसे और ऐसे करके आपका center निकला, center point. Is it visible?
Yeah, it is.
With the help of a compass, we had made 6 circles. We can make 12 also. कितना भी बना सकते हैं जितना आप बनाना चाहो. We can make more also.
So Anjali, is it only even number of circles that we should do, or we can do any number of circles?
Nothing. It depends on your design.
Okay.
Anjali, can you repeat about the center again from the sides, na? Center
Any sheet you take, आप कोई भी शीट लेते हो उसका 4 कॉर्नर्स होते हैं ना, फ्रॉम वन कॉर्नर टू अदर कॉर्नर यू मेक अ डायगोनल लाइन,
Like that. Diagonal.
ठीक है, एंड फ्रॉम द अदर कॉर्नर, फ्रॉम वन कॉर्नर टू अदर यू मेक अ सेकंड लाइन.
Okay. Okay.
उसका जो क्रॉसिंग सेक्शन होगा दैट इज द सेंटर ऑफ द पेपर.
Okay. 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 Okay.
ठीक है. नाउ विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ कंपास आई मेड नंबर ऑफ सर्कल्स. पहले 6 बनाए थे, नाउ आई हैव इंक्रीज टू 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8.
तो कितना डिस्टेंस छोड़ छोड़ के?
It depends, it can be anything. आप देखोगे when you start drawing. I'll start. देखो अब इसका आपको I'll tell you. Now you have to make a divide the circle. Is it visible? Now you have to divide the circle into 4 parts. Center to center हो गया? Any doubts?
Divide the circle into 4 parts.
Yeah. So हमने पहले सर्कल के 4 पार्ट्स बनाए हैं. नाउ वी कैन फर्दर डिवाइड देम टू 8 पार्ट्स. तो ऐसे करके 8 16 32 वी कैन डिवाइड द सर्कल इनटू एज मेनी पार्ट्स एज वी वांट.
Okay, how are you dividing? Can you say show again? अच्छा करते जाओ, half करते चले जाओ.
हाफ हाफ करते जाना है. हाँ.
हाँ. Okay, divide.
अभी देखिए इट इज 8. 4 करा था 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now I'm still further dividing into 16 parts.
Okay. हाँ.
जितने आप सर्कल्स बनाओगे, जितने आप उसको डिवाइड करोगे, उतना आपका बेटर बनेगा मंडला.
अच्छा, तो कोई है कि 16 या 32 ऐसा कोई नंबर भी होता है इसमें, या जितने आपकी मर्जी?
अब सर्कल को आपने डिवाइड किया पहले 4 में, फिर उसको फर्दर डिवाइड किया 8 में, तो वो मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 4 का ही चलेगा ना.
ना बीच में
तो मैथ्स काम आ जाएगी ना हमारी कभी.
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Anjali, one more question. These lines that we are drawing, they have to be really light, right? We can't
Yeah.
put pressure and draw lines.
हाँ, I have taken a red sheet. I think इसलिए visible नहीं है. I'll show you on the other sheet also.
तो ये लाइनें दिखनी चाहिए, या लाइनें सिर्फ अपनी रेफरेंस के लिए है?
आपकी रेफरेंस के लिए there is just the guidelines.
हाँ.
Is this visible, this sheet?
Yes.
Sapna di,
हाँ.
Sapna di, there's a question. Vandna di ना बार-बार mute हो जाती हैं. How come?
कौन सा दी? वन्ना दी.
हाँ.
Muting herself.
Because she's.
No, actually I mute myself, but at times when I want to unmute, I am not able to.
हाँ, वो हम नहीं कर पाते.
वो नहीं होगा.
हाँ.
So जो आप लोग डिवीजन पूछ रहे हो ना लाइंस का, just wanted to give you, आप लोग पिज्जा बनाते हो घर में, पिज्जा कटर से काटते हो ना लाइनें इक्वल पीसेस करने के लिए, बिल्कुल वही है. ठीक है मेघा? You getting it?
You already finished.
समझ आ जाएगा.
Yeah. So Megha, you must be enjoying it. Back to your school time.
I love mandala. I do it at home also.
हाँ, that's why.
I'm fond of it. You
Yeah.
know, I don't do it with the techniques, so I wanted to learn the techniques today.
Okay. I keep doing with like Mehendi Pe and even my Som and everything.
Ah.
I think
I
सबका
make
हो
them
गया,
up.
बन गया.
हाँ. Yes, अंजलि.
ठीक है. So we are starting with the center. अब center में is it visible? Yeah. We can start with a small circle.
Concentrate on doing it. I'm admitting. Don't worry. Sachna, concentrate.
Okay.
देखिए मैंने जो सेंटर सर्कल था, I made a dot.
Okay.
अब उसके बाद मेरा एक छोटा सर्कल है. I can make a leaf. जो petals मैंने आपको दिखाई थी ना, we are following those patterns. ये देखिए.
अंजलि, you said कि तुमने अभी सीखा ये, अभी मतलब बिल्कुल अभी?
हाँ बिल्कुल अभी.
तो did you learn from anybody, या खुद से तुमने practice कर करके?
I learned from somebody.
अच्छा.
I am a very good learner. I keep learning every day.
I realize that, dear. That's a very good technique, very good art to have. अगर हम रोज कुछ नया सीखें, कल के
I
मेरे
learn everything. Yeah, every day I'm learning new things.
Okay, Anjali, a lady Kanishk Thakkar has raised her hand. मैं unmute करती हूँ. Let's see if she has a question. If I can see her, Kanishk Thakkar.
No. What is that red one? Black one.
वो है, blender है.
एक sheet है ना, जो half बना है.
Nirupama also has raised her hands.
Okay, Kanishk Thakkar, I've unmuted you, Kanishk.
Hello.
हाँ जी बोलो, Kanishk. हाँ.
I just wanted to show the drawing which I made Ma Durga ka. So that's the only reason I raised my hand.
अच्छा, दिखाइए.
Oh,
How
wow.
beautiful, gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful. This lockdown period is doing very great things for everybody. सब लोगों में से इतना टैलेंट निखर के आ रहा है, न जाने कहाँ कहाँ से. Beautiful. Kanishk, keep it up. Beautiful.
Actually, I do, that is my good time pass. I do many of them in
Okay.
lockdown period.
All right. Thank you. Anybody else? Sachna? Somebody else also has had a raised hand?
Nirupama.
Okay, let me find her. You continue with your work.
I can see Nirupama. If you want, I can unmute her.
मैं अच्छा नहीं, तुम अपना काम कर लो. यहाँ पर तो मेघा बना रही है, मैं नहीं करी. मैंने ढूंढ लिया निरुपमा को.
मेरे पास औजार ही नहीं है बनाने के.
तुमने पहले से मेहनत नहीं करके रखी. निरुपमा, go ahead.
Yeah, I was saying if we were to use a protractor, no, we'll get the exact circle,
Yeah.
the areas, the
Yeah.
division. That becomes easy then.
Very true. अब बातें बंद और काम ज्यादा, जैसे अंजलि कर रही है. सब लोग काम करो अपना.
बोल दो कि क्लास से नहीं. आपको तीनों बेसिक वही स्टेप्स फॉलो करने हैं. देखिए आपकी जो लाइंस हैं, जो आपके पैटर्न्स हैं, यू हैव टू फॉलो पूरा सर्कल कंप्लीट करके ही यू हैव टू गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट लाइन. ठीक है.
मोटे पतले. Must give some भरना चाहिए. भरने से लेट पाए.
सी आपने जो ये ट्राइंगल्स बना रहे हो, कुछ भी बना रहे हो, यू हैव टू फिल आल्सो. देयर वर 3 स्टेप्स. आपने बेसिक शेप बनाई है, आपने इसको फिल करना है एंड यू हैव टू
I know.
Sure.
कंप्लीट करो. नेक्स्ट लाइन.
No, I'm not. I'm not resting. Don't worry. We'll just do it. So we have Shalini Jain's daughter wanting to share something she drew in the lockdown. She wants to share it on her screen. So you will have to wait, Shalini Jain's daughter, Niharika. You'll have to wait once. अच्छा वो already आ गई है उसके ऊपर screen sharing पे. Can you see?
Beautiful. Wow.
It's beautiful. It's really gorgeous. It's beautiful. And keep it up and God bless. And we would like to
doing the basic
would
parts.
like to stop sharing screen, Shalini Jain's daughter. Yeah, thank you.
See, I made इतना बना लिया. आप लोगों ने can you just share अपना दिखा सकते हो फोटोग्राफ से? How much have you done?
So at the moment, screen share is open. So
But they can show. I can see what they're showing.
Kanishk also we can see, Anjali. कनिष्क का भी दिखा रहा है, शी इज आल्सो
आप
शोइंग.
अपना गैलरी व्यू करोगे ना, आपको दिखेंगे और लोगों के भी. ये सपना जैन दिखा रही है अपना. ये किसका है ये? सपना जैन स्क्रीन. This is beautiful, Sapna Jain. Can you please stop sharing as well?
Oh, lot of people. Kiran Sharma ji is showing, Neetu Garg is showing, Nishu Jain is showing. Then we have Kiran Sharma ji, Neetu Garg. Lot of people showing what they have done. Wow. Shagun Jain is showing. I like it.
अब तक का क्लियर है सबको?
Sapna Jain, Rashmi Goyal, Sarika Arora, very nice. Smriti Jain.
I'm going to make it a gallery view in the recording also, so that people can see the.
Nitika has done a big job. Nitika, बहुत बड़ा बना लिया आपने तो इतनी जल्दी.
And I must share that we have a record number of 58 people on the session, Anjali. The session rocks, and the people who have not have their videos on, please अपने videos खोलिए. हमें पता लगे कि आप लोग कर रहे हैं. हमें पता लगे कितना interest बन रहा है आप लोगों का. Request everybody to have their videos on.
I hope everybody is taking care of the lines. इसमें taper बनाना है, giving weights to your lines. These are the basic steps we are doing. ठीक है? By the time you are completing, let me tell you that mandala art. I think I'm audible now to everybody.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So mandala art, it contains geometric and organic forms. You will see we take triangles, we take circles, we take leaf shapes and petals हो गया, सब कुछ हो गया, and filling it. So designing your own mandala can be both inspirational and therapeutic also. अब everybody must be wondering ना कि मैंने लिखा है कि meditation, it is good for meditation. जैसे you have to go very slow. You can't run around. भाग के नहीं आप कर सकते कि आपने फटाफट lines बना ली. It has to be very slow. Just like your breath. It is meditative because जैसे आप सांस लेते हैं, it is slow. There is a rhythm in your breath. That is the same thing followed in a mandala also. There is a rhythm. When you are doing a line, you are drawing the petals. Every petal has to be of the same shape, same style, and it goes slow. So जैसे जैसे आपकी सांस लेते हो वैसे आपका breathing, वैसे ही आपकी मंडला का it takes a shape of your this thing. So you have to observe both your mind and your breath when you are doing the mandala. People normally what happens, learn to have patience. इसमें patience आ जाती है. Constant slow breath is a constant. Is constant now, so it becomes a advantage for a mandala.
तो कुछ बेसिक शेप्स और बताएंगे अंजलि, या ये जो आपने बताया उन्हीं में बन जाती हैं सब?
मैं दिखा देती हूँ आपको और शेप्स है ना. Just a second. I'll share some more pics. So basic thing is that you have a rhythm in a mandala. आप ये देखो जैसे ये है एक circular motion में you see अगर बहुत concentrate करो you can focus on a center point.
So beautiful.
Up now, just a second. I want to share there are the few religions that use mandala. This is Jainism. Jainism में आप देखेंगे we have most of the members are there from Jain families. They must be aware of the mandalas that are formed in the mandirs during the pujas. This is a mandala in a Jain mandir. जब वो पूजा करते हैं ना पाठ वगैरह होते हैं. Buddhism also follows mandala. This is the sand mandala. They make mandalas with sand. Can you believe this is sand? And the best part is they destroy. Why the Buddhists, they destroy the mandalas they make. अब उनका क्या reason है? Can you think? Can anybody answer why do the Buddhists destroy their mandalas?
Creation, destruction, attachment नहीं होने के लिए.
Yeah, because nothing is
inculcate करने के लिए.
क्योंकि nothing is permanent. They feel कि life is not permanent.
Yeah.
उसका आया है उसने जाना ही है, तो they create a mandala and they destroy it.
Yeah.
So I think for somebody who makes such a beautiful mandala, destroying it's going to be a big challenge for him.
Anjali, there is a question in the chat box. If you want, I can read it out.
Sure.
Yeah, it's from Nitika, Nutan Jain's daughter. She wants to know, how can you fill mandala without making it look messy?
Nikita, hi. How are you? You have to fill mandala. I told you, you have to follow basic rule. So you have to create a balance. Balance I meant by dark and light. If one circle is, I'll just share the screen, I'll tell you. You see this drawing, Nikita? I started with a circle here. ये जो petals बनी है, they are white, and I colored it black. ठीक है? The next is white, but I have filled with this black. So it has to be black and white. This is how you can balance your mandala. Question was, Rajana, can you just repeat the question?
Yeah, just a second. She's asking, she wants to know, how can you fill mandala without making it look messy? Nitika, her name is Nitika.
Nikita. See, if you follow the guidelines, you have to make circles. If you make smaller circles, I think for a one mandala, if you make 10, 12 circles and you follow your design on those circles, and you have to divide your circles into 16, 32, as many parts as you want. Then you don't get mess with your design. I told you that it's a rhythm. You have to follow. जैसे होता है एक यहाँ पे petal बनाया, the next petal has to be of the same size and at the same distance, so it will not create a mess. I hope the problem is solved, Nikita. I'll share you all the different designs that we all can make. अभी भी बात कर लेते हैं. Yeah. Please. I'm sharing you more pics. See, these are also designs that you can use while making a mandala. आप देखेंगे ना, first one, it's a petal. This is the first one, the petal filled with the ये वाला. This is half circle, circular उसमें. This is half petal. ये देखिए.
Anjali, there's a question in the chat box. Geeta Nair is asking, where did it originate from?
It originated in the southeast countries. Southeast, जैसे हो गया ना, Tibet, started from Tibet and China, India, Nepal, everybody they are following, Bhutan. These countries are the where the mandala originated.
अंजलि, सनातन धर्म जो है, ये जो रिलीजन है ना, जहाँ पे सबको पता है सब कुछ साइक्लिकल है, कुछ भी लिनियर नहीं है. एंटायर लाइफ, एंटायर कॉस्मोस, एंटायर क्रिएशन इज साइक्लिकल. तो वहां से ओरिजिनेट होता है कि अंडा की शेप, सर्कुलर शेप, सब कुछ जहां से शुरू होता है वहीं खत्म होता है, फिर दोबारा शुरू होता है. तो मंडला की फिलॉसफी यही है, एक पॉइंट से ओरिजिनेट होके सर्कल बनता है, फिर खत्म होता चला जाता है, फिर वापस बनता है वही. तो दिस इज व्हाट इट हैज बीन.
You can copy these or you can take a screenshot of these fillers for your reference.
So will you share them kahin aur bhi, Anjali?
I can share them.
And Sapnadeep, why don't we share it on the WhatsApp group after the
After you
session?
finish, yeah, they can, everybody who completes mandala can share it on my WhatsApp, on the group also.
And plus,
Nahi,
Anjali, your
sorry.
PPT, your PPT.
Your templates, Anjali, your templates.
I can share, no problem, I'll share. And I'll give a e-certificate to all those who complete their mandalas.
Time limit भी बता दो कब तक पूरा करना है.
No time limit.
And I can see, look, you can see how engrossed Megha is. She's going on doing it. So
I can see a lot of everybody's doing it. Nirupama, you are why are you sitting?
So I've got my gallery view on and I can see most people, quite a few of them doing. So this is a great,
Therapeutic.
so it's very therapeutic as I can see, and people, it keeps
Everybody is engrossed in there, yeah. See, endings, those who are ending, finishing it, please be careful. Endings make a lot of difference.
Yeah, endings.
एक endings मेरी sheet की ना.
Light पे किधर जरा भरने का कम करो.
Light.
I don't want to end it. And Anjali, what is the biggest mandala you've drawn till now? Size.
Size not very big. अभी तो I'm just starting with it.
A4 पे कर रही हूँ. A4 पे कर रही हूँ अभी.
No, 12 inches by 12 inches, but I'm doing it on acrylic.
Okay. Okay. All right.
अंजलि, अभी तो आपने जैसे बताया हमें कि हम कोई भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट मतलब पेन वैन कुछ भी यूज कर सकते हैं, बट व्हाट इज द करेक्ट पीस instrument to use to make it? What is the right thing?
देखिए, this is micron marker. This is an ordinary stick marker. Can you see? I'll show you. देखिए, ये देखिए यूनिवॉल के हैं.
Okay.
अंजलि, अगर आप अपनी स्क्रीन शेयरिंग बंद करोगे तब दिखेगा आप क्या दिखा रहे हो. आपकी स्क्रीन शेयरिंग ऑन है अभी.
Okay.
बाद में दिखा देना फिर. हाँ, अच्छा दिखा दो अब दिख रहा है.
देखो, this is micron marker 0.5. This is a uniball. You can use anything. This is a simple marker. This is a Posca pen. You get colored, मतलब black, golden, सब colors के भी आते हैं. You can use anything.
और जो कलर्ड मंडलास देखे थे अभी हमने, जो किसी ने अभी दिखाए थे, तो उनके लिए कैसे करना होता है?
उसमें either you can do with your acrylic paints or you can do with your colored sketch pens, colored markers. नूतन जी,
नूतन जी बोल रही है, आई एम डूइंग इट इन द टेम्पल विद राइस.
मंडला, जैन मंडला.
Anjali,
हाँ जी.
you just said you're doing on acrylic. What do you mean by that? Acrylic क्या मतलब? किस चीज पे कर?
Acrylic paints. जो हम black marker से कर रहे हैं, that I'm using black acrylic on it.
On the paper itself?
No, on a canvas.
On canvas. Okay. So
I'm
acrylic.
doing it on bottle also. I'll show you when I'm complete with it.
Okay. So you're doing it for a framing purpose or for
I'm doing
some?
a different craft. I'm trying it on bottle also. Bottle के अंदर मंडला कैसे बनेगा? Pot के ऊपर acrylic. क्योंकि I'm into art and craft. I keep experimenting on different things.
Okay. So the present thing which you're making on canvas, can you put it on the wall or
We can put it on the wall.
wall painting type?
Wall painting.
Okay. Okay. So एक चीज मुझे बताओ, जो हमारे राजस्थान में एक वॉल पेंटिंग होती है जो 3D वाली इफेक्ट की होती है, वो भी तो, हाँ,
Lipon, that is Lipon painting. It's called lepna.
हाँ, लेप की जो होती है, उसमें भी तो ये मंडला आर्ट का बहुत सारा फॉर्म यूज होता है.
हाँ, we can do.
हाँ, because I'd seen at many places this art form is there, the kind of designs you're showing.
आप वर्ली पेंटिंग देखोगे, वर्ली पेंटिंग में
हाँ, वर्ली paintings also.
So we can change our any craft into a mandala art. आप मधुबनी में भी we can make a circle and we can put मधुबनी हो गया. Worli we can use, we can do Lipon also.
Okay.
अंजलि ये देखो कि ये क्या है? Is this also mandala art? Can you see it?
Art only.
Yeah.
Dot painting होती है ना, but they have different tools that we can tell you up later also.
Okay.
I'm just telling you the basics, how to start with and you can end. You can be creative in any way.
सर्कुलर आता है अंजलि, वो मंडला बन जाता है. आर्ट फॉर्म जो मर्जी हो, सर्कुलर आते से वो मंडला आर्ट बन जाता है.
That's what I wanted to make clear कि वो any art form can have mandala art in it.
अब the thing is कि we are creating our own mandala. आप किसी को कॉपी नहीं कर रहे हैं ना, आप अपना डिजाइन बना रहे हैं. जैसे you are not taking somebody else's breath. आप किसी और की सांस तो नहीं ले रहे हैं ना, आप अपनी ही सांस ले रहे हो. It is the same thing. आप अपना बना रहे हो, it's going to be your
Okay.
तो कैसा भी बनेगा, अच्छा ही लगेगा.
अच्छा, मैं सबके साथ एक चीज शेयर करना चाहती हूँ. हमारी ये अंजलि 2:30 रात को उठ जाती है. जब दुनिया सोने जाती है तब हमारी अंजलि 2:30 2:30 बजे उठ जाती हैं, और 2:30 बजे से अंजलि तब से तुम पेंटिंग शुरू कर देती हो क्या? क्या करती हो? अपना रूटीन बताओ.
नहीं, ये आर्टिस्ट लोगों की ये फितरत होती है, सब चीज उल्टा करना होता है. यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट. जितने भी आर्टिस्ट तुम देखोगे, कोई झोला लटका है, कोई दाढ़ी बड़ा है, कोई कुछ, यू नो, they'll be seen, you know, from a distance कि हाँ ये कोई आर्टिस्ट है, चाहे वो थिएटर आर्टिस्ट हो या कोई भी हो. तो अंजलि का ये
अंजलि बताओ तुम्हारा रूटीन क्या रहता है?
Normally I get up around 3:30.
2:30 you told me. 2:30
तो mind से ना, वैसे 3 o'clock from the bed.
अच्छा, okay.
I take my dog for a walk at 3:30.
आपको 3 बजे?
बजे वो भी उठ जाता है, चलो चलो.
अच्छा.
And बस इसी रूम में बैठ के, everybody is sleeping from 3 to 7. Actually I'm free. I can do whatever I want. Nobody disturbs me. सारी games बनाना online and search करना, सब कुछ करना. This is the best time I can do when nobody is asking for tea, nobody is asking for dinner, nobody is asking for breakfast.
So what time do you sleep then?
10:30, 11.
Anjali, can we see what you have done till now? Abhi.
Me?
हाँ.
Mira, I did this na, ये रहे.
The other one. This one.
Mira, I stopped now. I was explaining. ये देखिए.
You want to show?
No, it's that one.
Okay, so I'm going to
You have to share.
Oh, wow.
Neetu Garg has come out with very nice one. Neetu, you just made it? My God, really good.
अच्छा, Megha is also
Even Shagun has also made a nice design.
Can you see what Megha is showing? Megha has done this.
Oh,
Yeah,
beautiful dear.
Thank you.
बहुत ही सुंदर लग रहा है.
Jyoti,
Sapna Jain has raised her
Sarika
hand.
Arora also. If you see Sarika, she's done with a red pen and it's looking beautiful.
I have many students of mine here. Neeta ji, what have you done? Only listening. आप घर आके ही सीखोगे.
नूतन गोयल भी कुछ बोल रही है. नूतन गोयल.
किसी लोगों को ना फ्री वाली क्लास सूट नहीं करती अंजलि. They need to pay and learn.
देखो अंजलि तो मेरी डे 1 से टीचर है. हम लोग टीचर के उससे ही मिले थे, एंड जब हमारा फर्स्ट हम मिले थे, हमारी पूरी बार्गेनिंग भी हुई थी. बार्गेनिंग के 5 मिनट बाद हमारा ये डील हुई, अरे यार मैं ऐसे ही बना दूंगी ना, पैसे की क्या बात है. मैं कहा नहीं देखो, ऐसे फ्री में तो मैं बनवाऊंगी नहीं. मालूम पड़ा इनकी मम्मी और मैं फ्रेंड हैं बहुत पुराने, टाइम से. तो इसलिए मैं बना नहीं रही हूँ. घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर, बाद में देख लूंगी क्या क्या बनाया है.
क्योंकि आपको फ्री क्लास अकेले में मिल जाएगी ना.
नहीं
पिताजी तो पैसे दे के लेंगी क्लास, आपको फ्री अकेले में मिल जाएगी.
अच्छा, और कौन दिखाना चाहता है? Raise hand. और दिखाना.
Mahima has raised hand.
Sarika, yours is looking beautiful. Sarika, I wanted you.
Wonderful job. Yes.
महिमा थोड़ा पीछे रखो, नहीं दिख रहा. थोड़ा सा पीछे करो इसको.
सारिका, आप सारिका को अनम्यूट नहीं कर पा रहे. हाँ, हो गई. सारिका,
Mahima is, these are my school friends.
Very nice.
Mahima is very nice.
सारिका, can you hear me?
हाँ जी.
Unmute Mahima's.
भाभी महिमा को अनम्यूट करिए. She wants to say something.
सारिका चल रही. सारिका दिखा दिया. सारिका.
हाँ जी,
सारिका का भी
देखिए.
बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है. सारिका is made in red pen and it's really beautiful.
अभी घर में यही अवेलेबल था ना, तो रेडी.
देखो यार.
कोई बात नहीं, हमारे यहाँ तो कंपास ही नहीं है, इसलिए I never tried it also.
Before Megha came, I arranged for a compass. हमारी वो neighbor सरिता की daughter से मांग के. मैं कहती हूँ.
Mahima, I think where is Mahima? Mahima.
हाँ, Mahima wanted to show something.
Okay,
She wants to speak also. Can you unmute her?
Sajna, can you see her?
Yeah, I will unmute.
My school friend.
Okay.
Mahima, just give me a second. I will just unmute
Friend and
you.
my college friend.
वो वाले फॉर्म्स दोबारा दिखा दोगे?
No, this is Anjali. It's me. Mahima is my daughter.
I know, Seema.
I just wanted to show for the first time. See. Can you see?
Anjali, आपकी screen आ गई है. Stop sharing, please. She wants to show something. Mahima wants to show something. Mahima, go ahead, please.
See.
Oh, this is nice. Very nice.
Very nice. Beautiful.
This is my life's first attempt.
First attempt.
But Anjali is an inspiration.
सुनो, जब टीचर अच्छा होएगा तो students have to be good, no?
She's a gem. She's a gem. I should tell everybody she's a gem.
Thank
In
you.
her talent and as a person.
Thank you, Mahima. Jyoti wants to say something. She's made circles with Katori and all. If I could see her. Yeah, Katori and this.
Okay, let me unmute her. Let me.
Jyoti, you can speak now.
I said I had these baking. I'm very fond of baking, so it was baking katoris thi. I made circles, so it's a very small one. I tried my best. No compass, nothing.
Because without compass, center सही नहीं आता, तो इसलिए इधर-उधर हो जाते हैं.
I was trying to fill in with some red after making it, but
she's also my school friend.
I'm also Anya. Anjali, thanks to you. We are all sitting with this now.
There's one more sitting here. Ritu Channa. Ritu.
Oh, this is Nishu's thing. Nishu's beautiful.
It's very nice.
Nice, dear.
So everybody is doing a good job.
Nishu, can you just stop sharing screen now?
I have my college friend also here. She was in my school also. Seema, Sonia.
Nishu, can you please stop sharing screen? She doesn't know. Is that it? You can't do it.
She's trying. She's saying she's trying.
Yeah, I can understand. It's these mediums, tech mediums are new, na? Sabko time thoda lag jata hai. No worries. So I can see a lot of people drawing. Smriti Jain, she's doing it.
Neetu has done. Ritu Kumar.
What is?
Rajna, can you just unmute Ritu Kumar?
Ritu Kumar. Okay, just give me a second.
And then Sonia Chan.
Okay.
Okay, now we are about to wind up the session, Anjali.
Hi.
So we have to keep sticking to our time. So what I suggest is let them send you the individual, you let your students send them to you on your WhatsApp, right? Is that good, Anjali?
Yeah.
पिक्चर खींच के शेयर कर दें और आप अपना पीपीटी हम सबके साथ शेयर करिएगा तो बाकी सबको फिर भेज देंगे हम. Is that good?
Yeah, I can do it.
So Vannavi, can I wind up the session now? Anjali, is it 5? Sajna?
No. Vannadi has, I think, already again muted herself.
Okay, all right. So what I'll do is,
it was really nice interacting with everybody. I'm very happy. My school friends, my college friends, my neighbors, everybody is there. My Devditi life, all my life members, everybody is there.
So you are so famous ना अंजलि और because of your art और किसी subject पे बुलाते तो शायद नहीं आते थे but subject ही तुम्हारे मतलब का था and everybody knows your talent. So everybody is here to admire you and your talent and to learn something from you. Thank you, dear. Over to you, Sapna.
Yeah. So on behalf of Devditi Foundation, I, Sapna Khandelwal, thank our current president, Devditi की current president, Anjali Jain Gupta, को एक बहुत सक्सेसफुल सेशन के लिए हम अपने तहे दिल से थैंक यू बोलते हैं एंड ऑल योर स्टूडेंट्स आर रिक्वेस्टेड who are on the session to send whatever they are doing to you on your personal WhatsApp and you will be sharing the PPT. So Anjali, thank you again और मैं सपना खंडेलवाल on behalf of Devditi Foundation आज एंड करती हूँ परंतु उससे पहले कल हमारा सेशन है देवदीति पर्सनल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन सीरीज के तहत कल का सेशन बहुत स्पेशल है ऑन योर बेसिक फाइनेंशियल लाइफ It is very important for we women to be empowered with our finances. So कल का सेशन है हमारे राजीव जी जो वंदना गुप्ता co-founder हैं, उनके husband basic financial planning लेंगे. Mondays, Wednesdays and Thursdays are reserved for Thursdays with Sapna. And हमारे 3 सेशंस होते हैं वीक. आप सब अटेंड करिए, अपने आप को ग्रूम करते हैं और इस लॉकडाउन के माहौल में अपने आप को सशक्त बनाते हैं, स्ट्रॉन्ग रहते हैं, फियरलेस रहते हैं. एंड थैंक यू अगेन अंजलि. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much.
Thank you everybody for giving your valuable time. Thank you.
Thank you.